Welcome back to part 2 of our video, where we're diving to the wonders of the ocean. Navaya the turtle has done a wonderful job. Do you agree with me, my friends? Look, it's Sadie the seahorse. Seahorses are so unique because the daddies are the ones who carry babies. Talk about a super dad. Let's give a cheer for Sally and all the seahorse dads out there. Check out Oscar the octopus. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and can change colour to camouflage themselves? It's like they're the underwater masters of disguise. Last but not least, we have Benny, the blue tang. Let's give a big round of applause for Benny and all our undersea friends. Remember, there's a whole world of wonder waiting for you under the sea. So keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop dreaming. Until next time, stay curious and keep shining bright like a starfish. Well, that's all what we have for today's underwater adventure, kiddos. We hope you had a splash-tastic time meeting all our undersea friends.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to see more fun and educational videos. Goodbye for now, little explorers.